Welcome to the Traveler for Life YouTube channel. Berlin is a modern city shaped by history and driven by creativity. This is highlight for just 24 hours visit. We will explore iconic landmarks, powerful moments from the past, and the vibrant streets that define Germany capital today. From world-famous sites to local life, this is Berlin in one unforgettable day. Have fun watching the video. To Traveler for Life YouTube channel. In this video, we are visiting Berlin, the capital of Germany. Berlin is a city shaped by history, divided by walls, and rebuilt with creativity. But what if you only have 24 hours to explore it? In just one day, we will visit Berlin's most iconic landmarks, walk through powerful moments of history, and experience the energy of a city that never stands still. From world-famous sites to hidden corners and local life, this is Berlin in 24 hours. Let us get started. This is the Berliner Fernsehturm, the Berlin TV tower, and at 368 meters. It is the tallest structure in Germany and one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. Built in the 1960s by East Germany, the tower was designed as a symbol of progress, modernity, and technological power during the Cold War. Just a short walk away is St. Mary's Church, one of the oldest churches in Berlin, dating back to the 13th century. It has survived wars, political change, and time, making it a rare witness to medieval Berlin. This is Berlin Central Station, also known as Berlin Hauptbahnhof, the largest railway station in Europe and one of the most modern transport hubs in the world. Opened in 2006, this massive glass and steel structure connects Berlin to cities across Germany and Europe. Every day, hundreds of thousands of travelers pass through here. What makes this station unique is its design. Trains arrive and depart on multiple levels, crossing both north-south and east-west routes, an engineering masterpiece. nearly 3 decades, the Berlin Wall divided not just a city, but families, lives, and an entire nation. Built in 1961, the wall was constructed by East Germany to stop people from escaping to the west. Overnight, streets were cut in half, borders sealed, and freedom restricted. The wall became a heavily guarded barrier of concrete. Fences and watchtowers. More than 100 people lost their lives trying to cross it. In 1989, peaceful protests and political change led to the fall of the Berlin Wall. Its collapse marked the end of division and became a powerful symbol of freedom around the world. The Berlin Wall is no longer a barrier, but its story remains. In Berlin, history is not erased, it is remembered. The East Side Gallery is the longest remaining section of the Berlin Wall, now covered with art and messages of hope, freedom, and unity. For nearly 3 decades, the wall separated families and lives. Its fall in 1989 became a symbol of freedom and the end of the Cold War. Today, Berlin is a city reborn, creative, diverse, and constantly evolving, where history is not hidden, but remembered, and the future is always being written. This is Checkpoint Charlie, the most famous border crossing between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. After the Berlin Wall was built in 1961, Checkpoint Charlie became the main crossing point for diplomats, foreign visitors, and Allied forces moving between the two sides of the city. Today, Checkpoint Charlie is no longer a border, but a reminder of how divided Berlin once was. Nearby, the Wall Museum tells personal stories of escape, courage, and life during the Cold War.
Hey.
can enter the Reichstag glass dome and rooftop terrace for free. One of the best free experiences in Berlin is visiting the Reichstag Building, home of the German parliament. Entry is free, but you must register in advance. The glass dome was designed to symbolize transparency and democracy. As you walk up, the audio guide explains how Germany's political system works and how history shaped it. Berlin is a city that remembers its past while constantly moving forward. From powerful history to vibrant streets and unforgettable views. Even a short visit leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Berlin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next destination.